Effective decision-making is an important skill that can help you navigate challenges and make the best choices in both your personal and professional life. Here are a few tips for improving your decision-making skills. 1. Define the problem. Clearly define the problem or issue you need to address. 2. Gather information. Gather all the relevant information you need to make an informed decision. 3. Consider the options. Identify and weigh the pros and cons of each potential solution or course of action. 4. Make a decision. Choose the option that you believe is the best fit based on the information you have gathered. 5. Implement the decision. Put your plan into action and monitor the results. 6. Evaluate the outcome. Reflect on the decision and its outcome and use what you learn to inform future decisions. 7. Take your time. Don't feel rushed to make a decision. It's often better to take the time to thoroughly consider your options rather than making a hasty choice. 8. Seek input from others. Seek the perspective of others, especially those who have relevant expertise or experience. This can help you see the situation from different angles and make a more informed decision. 9. Be mindful of bias. Be aware of your own biases and try to set them aside when making decisions. It can be helpful to consider the potential impact of your decision on different groups of people. 10. Make a plan. Once you've made a decision, it's important to have a plan in place to implement it. This can help you stay organized and on track, and it can also help you anticipate and prepare for potential challenges or setbacks. Making good decisions is an important part of personal and professional success. By gathering information, considering options, seeking input from others, and being mindful of bias, you can improve your decision-making skills and make choices that are in line with your goals and values. Remember to take your time, have a plan in place, and be open to reassessing your decisions as needed. With practice and experience, you can become more confident and effective in your decision-making.